Okay, can you hear me now? So you need help with long division grade 7 maths, right? Hold on, let me find one example, then we'll do on board, right? Okay, let's just start with an example that is 6 divided 528 divided by 6. Okay, so you need to divide 528 by 6 using long division method, right? So just look at the first digit, that is 5, and 5 is less than 6. You cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one, right? You need to make this number greater than 6 so that you can divide. So you can make a two digit number, that is 52. You need to count a table of 6 until you get 52 or a number that is less than 52, right? So 6 times 9 is 54. 54 is greater than 52. We can go for 6 times 8, that is 48, right? Because 48 is less than 52. So we can go for 6 times 8. If you have any question up till now, you can ask. You have to subtract now, right? So you cannot subtract 2 out of 8. You need to borrow 1. So that is 12. You are left with 4 here. 12 out of 8 is 4 and 4 out of 4 is 0. That means 52 out of 40. 52 take away 48 is 4. You have another digit. Now 4 is less than 6. You cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one, right? You need to bring the next digit down to make it greater than 6. Now this is greater than 6. You need to count 6 until 48 or the number that is less than 48. So 6 times 8 is 48. And 48 take away 48 is 0. So when you divide 528 by 6, the answer is 88. If you have any question, you can please ask. I will do again. Or otherwise, I'll move on to the next example. Okay, let's just do another example. The other example is 370 divided by 5. Let's just do one more example. 370 divided by 5, right? So check with the first digit. 3 and 3 is less than 5. You cannot divide a smaller number by the greater one. So you need to make it a two digit number. Now that is greater than 5, right? So you have to count 5 until 37 or the number that is less than 37. So which number we can go for? 5 times what number is 37 or less than 37? We can go for 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35, right? 5 times 7 is 35. So 37 take away 35 is 2. 2 is less than 5. You cannot divide, right? You need to bring the other digit down, that is 0. Now you have to count 5 until 20. So 5 times what number is 20? 5 times 4 is 20. Got it? And 20 take away 20 is 0. So that means when you divide 370 by 5, the answer is 74. Got it? Can you try the other examples by yourself now? Algebra. Okay, let me see. Is it on A plus? What type of questions you need help with? Maybe with another name. What type of questions you need help with? Mean, median, mode isn't algebra, that's probability. Also, I have covered all these lessons on the channel. You can search the channel for these questions. I'll just go through one of the examples for mean, median, and mode. So, mode is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data, right? Mm, but that's on grade 5. You can find mean, median, and mode on the grade 6, right? Grade 7, it is proper the probability. You can find mean, median, mode here, data and graphs. Maybe. I'm not sure. But hold on. Okay, let's just do some of the examples for mean, median, and mode. So, what is the mode? Right? Mode is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. Mod. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So, for example, you are given a data set, right? The numbers you are given are 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, and 4, and 3. You have to see what is the mod value, right? You have to see how many times the number appears in the data. 3 appears 1, 2, 3 times, right? 3 appear 3 times. Then 4 appears 2 times, right? The rest of the numbers 5, 6, 7, they appear just 1 in the data. So that means the more 3 is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So 3 is the mod, right? What do you mean? When you have a lot of points plus, do you win a prize? No, I am a teacher. How can I win a prize? I know these things. Okay, so that is the mod, right? The next one is median, right? So median is the number that divides the whole data into exactly two equal groups, right? Median divides the data into two equal groups. Before the median, you have all the numbers that are less than median, and after the median you have all the numbers that are greater than median, right? For example, you have the data that is 13, 12, 14, 8 and 11, right? You have to calculate the median of this given data. First you have to arrange the data from least to greatest, right? So the least number is 8, 11, 12, 13 and 14, right? So median is exactly the middle number that divides the data into two equal groups. The numbers that are less than the median are before the median, and the numbers that are greater than the median are the after the median. Got it? That's how you calculate. Whenever you need to calculate the median, just arrange the data from least to greatest and see the middle number, right? The middle number is the one that divides the whole data into two equal parts. Before the median, you have all the numbers that are less than median, and after the median, you have all the numbers that are greater than median. Got it? Got it. If you have any question related to mean and mod and median, you can ask. Then I'm going to move on mean. Okay, when you need to calculate the mean of the data, what you can do, for example, you are given the numbers, they are 10, 13, 15, 9, 8 and 7, right? You have to calculate the mean of the data. You have to add them all, sum of numbers divided by the number of values. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to add them all and divide by the 6, right? Let me just add them. 10 plus 13 plus 15 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7. Sum of all the numbers is 62. You have to divide it by the 6. The mean is the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of values, right? So you have to add them all. They are 6 in number, divide them by 6. That is, who said? No, not you do. We win a prize. Yes. So you win a prize. How can I win a prize? I am teacher, not a student. That is 10.3. No, I think you don't have that because you can see the Facebook page. Some of the students won the prize. Maybe you have not that much to win a prize. So the mean is 10.3. Yes, you win a prize. Go search a Facebook page. There you can see lot of students have the prize from the A plus. Okay, so we are done with mean, median, and mode. Anything else you need to know? I don't know how much you have to get. You can call the admin office. They will tell you. I think after the specific duration, they see who hit the most of the points and then they give the prize to the student. That's what I think they can do. You can contact admin for this. Okay, thank you then. Bye.